In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access spam folder in Outlook. We'll walk through getting to Outlook in your browser and locating the junk email folder, which is where Outlook automatically sends messages it thinks might be spam. Follow along, and I'll add tips so everything is clear and easy. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. Using a search engine is a simple way to reach the correct Outlook page without mistyping the address. In the search box, type Outlook. You should see results for Microsoft Outlook right at the top. Look for the official Microsoft link so you know you're going to the real site and not a lookalike. Avoid unfamiliar links, especially those labeled as ads from unknown sources. Click the official Outlook website result. That will take you to Outlook on the web. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your mailbox. If you see a sign-in screen, just complete that as you normally would, and then you'll arrive at your inbox view. Once you're in your mailbox, focus on the left side of the screen. This is the navigation pane where all your folders live, like Inbox, Drafts, and Sent items. If your screen is small or the list looks short, scroll down through that folder list. Some folders can be hidden below the fold, so scrolling ensures you see everything. In that same left pane, look for the folder called Junk Email. This is Outlook's name for the spam folder. Click it to open. Messages placed here are ones Outlook suspects might be unwanted or unsafe. Opening the folder will display those emails in the message list, just like your inbox does. If you don't immediately see junk email in the list, click More, or expand your mailbox folders to reveal the full set. Sometimes folders are collapsed to keep things tidy. Now take a moment to review the messages marked as spam. Skim the senders and subject lines, and use the reading pane to preview content safely. Be cautious with anything that looks suspicious. Avoid clicking links or downloading attachments from unknown senders. It's also good practice to check this folder periodically, because legitimate messages occasionally end up here by mistake. Keep in mind that many mailboxes automatically clear the junk email folder after a period of time, so reviewing it regularly can prevent you from missing something important. And that's it. You used Google to find Outlook, opened the official site, scrolled through the folder list, selected junk email, and reviewed the messages there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and on top of your email.